Conga, an AI-powered autonomous robotic lawnmower. Get started with a click of a button. Forget annoying perimeter wires or inaccurate manual map setup. Conga autonomously detects the lawn area, recognizing and memorizing your lawn's boundaries and shapes, even multi-zones and no-go zone. Mapping success, Conga ensures that every inch of your lawn is lush and lively all year round. Conga cut fiercely. The concrete comb structures, adjustable cutting plate, and powerful motor enable the adjustable cutting height up to 85 millimeters. With its vision fusion localization, Conga knows exactly where to go as it cuts the entire lawn in a series of clean and precise parallel rows. Using smart technology, Conga works intelligently to eliminate repetitive work. Conga protects your kids and pets with Family Protection Mode. The HDR camera, bump sensor, and blade emergency halt system provide 3-level security. AI cameras with advanced sensors allow it to detect obstacles in less than 0.1 second. If foreign objects are detected, Conga will change the direction and avoid them in advance. When the battery is low, it will go back and recharge automatically. When Conga is fully recharged, it will resume exactly where it left off. Conga, an AI-powered autonomous robotic lawnmower. Conga will return to the charging pile on rainy days or after the mowing sessions are finished.
Ecop is the most hands-free, quietest, easy-to-use kitchen composter ever made. Ecop reduces food waste by maximum 9% volume and creates beautifully nutrient-rich fertilizer without ever touching a button. Ecop is the first fully automatic system to recycle your food waste. Using auto mode, Ecop allows you to place your food waste in gradually throughout the day,
starting automatic storage,
and begins composting immediately as the weight threshold is met.
Starting automatic composting.
Auto mode is also incredibly energy efficient since it only starts when it needs to and stops once the process is finished.
Composting complete.
But even when Ecop is composting, you can still add more food waste, and as soon as you lock the lid, the process continues automatically adjusting the time of completion. Not only can you use Ecop button-free, you won't even know it's on because of its industry-defining 25 decibel sound emission. The standard today in kitchen composter is around 55 to 60 decibel, which in a quiet kitchen is quite noticeable. However, with Ecop, you can rest knowing it's at work without ever hearing a sound. I think due to our history and experience, creating Ecop was a natural progression. At ProRe, we've been innovating kitchen composter over 20 years. One of our motivators has been the fact that 25 years ago here in South Korea, the government banned the disposal of food waste together with household trash because of its harmful environmental effect, overloading landfills, and heavy burden on city trash systems. We became challenged to create the most efficient, convenient, and proven food recycling devices out of pure necessity. We brought ecop, our newest innovation, to Kickstarter because we believe the world is really searching for the solution to the harmful effect of food waste. And we see that individuals and families globally want the power to help the environment. We know with ecop, we have innovated to create something that solves the major issues of kitchen composting devices. help cut down greenhouse gas producing landfills, cut food waste out of your life. ecop is truly smart and automatic, virtually silent, beautifully designed, and incredibly energy efficient. With your funding, we can share what we've developed over the last 2 decades. Join our journey to turn food waste into food resources.